Let's get moving. 10 minutes of simple movements to boost our mood, elevate our energy. We're going to really focus on boosting our mobility today. Let's just get warmed up, get the arms moving upwards, right ankle, raised up as much as you can. You can start to step a bit. Let's get warm. Head up. I want to focus on upper back a bit, or maybe we get staring too much at our phones. I want to push the shoulders back, get that great posture. We can walk around, sit with integrity. Walk with good posture, sit with good posture. It just does make us feel more integrous. Is integrous a word? We're going for it today. Yeah. Okay. Shake that out a bit. Upper. So standing cat-cow. So round the back, chest out. Round like a cat, chest out. Just a few of these. Get loose. Head up, chin up. Try to keep it, yeah. Cross the arms over a bit, keeping them up. Your hands can be on your thighs as well. Chest, whatever works for you. Try to, keep that chin up. This is maybe a better move. Mobility in the upper body. A couple more. And out. Yes. Okay. Shake that out. We could feel that, huh? Yeah. Okay. Arms up nice and high. Crossing over. Think of or focus on keeping the head up. Chin up. Yeah. Looking ahead. Opposite arm over each time. 2 more. Great. Okay. Arms just sort of loosey-goosey. Stretch them out a bit, but let's pump them a bit. Okay. Pump and just a little step just to get the lower body moving too. Should be feeling it in the shoulders already. So try to go quickly up top, really pump the arms a bit, and slow on the bottom. Yeah. Working the brain too. Okay. Oh, nice. Shake it out. Very good. Oh, let's just, little side step. We just want to keep the body nice and warm. And then with the arms, an exaggerated movement. Really back with it. As far back as you can reach with your arm. We can spend an extra moment when we get over it. Really reach it back. Any one of these moves, anytime during the day, particularly if we get on our phones too long. Can really help so we don't end up with a stiff neck, sore back. Nice. Okay. Just breathe for a moment. Let's just push. So we're going for a little bit of a walk. Just moving lower body. We're walking, but we're pushing out. Head up. Brilliant. Remember to breathe. Let's stick with this for a moment or two. Just find a flow and go. You can be walking more gently if you like, really easy. Just going a little quicker. I'm just feeling it. Feeling nice. We could even move laterally. Okay. And yes, shake that out. Okay. We're going to step, arms up, opposite. And let's take this exercise and go with it for a minute or two. Find a nice pace for you. Head up. Remember, chin up high. Don't get down. We're always looking down. We've got to look forward. This is the anti-phone workout. I'm not anti-phone. They're great tools. We should use them as tools. But I certainly know I can use mine too much. I can get caught up in scrolling just like anybody, finding ways to remove the phone a bit, I think is useful for all of us. Set a daily limit. Be disciplined. Stay consistent to that. How much scrolling is too much? What works for you? Where's the pleasure end? It just becomes a negative habit as opposed to, oh, there's a lot of joy I can get out of a certain amount of screen time. Only you know. Stick with this. This is nice. Arms, maybe you can get them up a little bit higher. Brilliant move. Remember to breathe. Couple more. Nice one. Shake it out a bit. Reel. And then reach back as far as you can. Reach back. Try to get your shoulder blades to touch. That's just, and I'm gonna walk with this laterally. Just a few steps. Look at how much we can do. Real presence, as always. This is the most important moment of your life. More awareness, more presence we can bring, the more joy that comes into our lives. We see the beauty and the wonder in everything, even the challenges. Really reach it back. Reach it back. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna maybe feel this one today. Lots of shoulder work, lots of upper back. Get that mobility back in our upper body. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, how's that feel? Okay. Let's just a gentle reach. We're gently reaching across, but maybe we can get a little bit of pace into it. And let's do this for a minute. Try to keep your arm up nice and high. Chin is still up. And then when you point, look to your spot. Head up high. You can have your head up high when you finish this workout. When you comment, job done. Inspire others. Get that small victory for the day. Pile up lots more victories throughout your day. Make it the best day ever. Let's just keep going. Maybe we're going to pick up the pace just a bit. Breathe. Enjoy. Boredom is a gift. So I like to do things, exercise for a little longer maybe. So thoughts of boredom creeping, it's like nonsense. Boredom is mastery. In that we really master a skill. We give it so much attention, so much time. It becomes boring. No. I gotta do this over and over to create mastery. I can excel at the things I love, doing them over and over and over again. All right, brilliant. Let's just bounce for a moment. How good was that? Not bad today, eh? I think remember this move. I think with the head up high, 30 seconds, even a minute at any point in today. If you can do this move again, brilliant. Head up. I love it. All right. Let's bring some focus in. There's a lot of noises around. Dogs barking, cars, people working. Let's not get distracted. Let's change the way we look at sound. When we label it as noise, that's usually negative, as opposed to just sound. They're just sounds in my environment. I can't control it. Can I just let it pass through me? Let's give 30 seconds. Just notice the sounds in your environment and don't label them and just let them pass through you. Brilliant. Thanks for joining me. Have the best day ever. See you tomorrow.